This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Jonathan Dahl.
Don't miss this classic ranch with a great backyard in the heart of Malibu.
This 3-bedroom home has been kept well as the current owners have made various updates to the home over the past few years. The roof on both the home and the shed was replaced in 2015. A new shed door was installed in 2022.
A new driveway and sidewalk to the front door was installed in October of 2021.
LVT was installed in part of the kitchen in 2022. New bifold closet doors were installed in 2 of the 3 bedrooms and hallway closets in 2022. A new primary bedroom door was installed in 2022 and a new back door from the kitchen to the backyard was installed in 2021.
Both the kitchen and the full bathroom have been nicely updated, and the garage has been converted into extra livable square footage to enlarge the living room. This is a great home in a great school district and just minutes from the interstate, shopping and restaurants.
Come take a look for yourself. For more information, review the details below.